Welcome to an episode of 10K Hunter, where we'll be exploring the investment opportunities arising from current events. As always, we'll present news, insights, and opportunities that you can take action on. Our topic today is the potential impact of the TikTok ban on Google's YouTube. In this video, we'll dive into the details of the TikTok ban, what it means for YouTube, and the potential impact on Google's stock and options. Just to introduce myself, I'm the 10K Hunter. I'll bring you insights and education on the world of investing in business. Some of the things that we'll cover will give you opportunities to invest in stocks, options, give you ideas for creating your own business, or if you're working for someone in a corporate environment or otherwise, might give you a leg up so you can kind of continue to move up the ladder and just seem smarter than the guy or person sitting next to you. Today, we'll be discussing the TikTok ban and its potential impact on Google's YouTube. It's an exciting opportunity where we get to explore the intersection of technology, regulation, investment. What happens when laws change? What happens when things happen? It does impact our reality. It impacts our ability and opportunity to invest. I know the picture is super annoying right in front of you, but if you hang in with us, we'll help you uncover opportunities where those that are using TikTok that are getting kicked off might need to shift to something like Google's YouTube. There's an opportunity there. The TikTok ban refers to the potential prohibition of the TikTok app being used in the United States due to national security concerns. In other words, the US is fed up with China owning something that's so invasive into the American culture and, more importantly, the economy. They want to put an end to it, and that's what the ban's about. As of today, it is January 17th. TikTok ban is currently under review by the US government, but it still remains uncertain whether it will be upheld. So far, it looks like it will be upheld as of this morning, which means disruption for TikTok users, those that make money from TikTok, advertisers that use TikTok. But the smartest of those that are out there probably transition to something else that looks like Google's YouTube. If the ban is upheld, TikTok's US operations could be severely disrupted, potentially leading to loss of users and revenue. For context's sake, Google acquired YouTube back in 2006, a long time ago, and has since invested heavily in the platform to make it one of the world's largest video sharing websites. YouTube's dominant position in the video sharing market makes it well positioned to benefit from any potential decline in TikTok's US operations. So keep in mind, if things go south and the ban is upheld, there's some opportunity. Now for some financial insights. I'm going to keep it super high level. They call me the 10K Hunter for a reason. When you go through the SEC filings of Alphabet, which is the parent company for Google, they've spent considerable amounts of money to grow the platform so it can continue to have accelerated growth and success. Let's take a closer look at some key YouTube metrics. During Google's latest conference, the company shared impressive YouTube statistics: 2.5 billion active users, 500 hours of video uploaded every minute, 1 billion hours of video watched daily. Those are impressive and set to grow even further, especially if there's a ban on TikTok in their US operations. A potential TikTok ban could significantly increase YouTube's advertising revenue as businesses and advertisers shift their budgets from TikTok here in the US to the dominant video sharing platform that's still here, Alphabet's or Google's YouTube. Advertising revenue is set to expand. That can only mean one thing for their stock and your opportunity to invest. Now let's explore the potential impact on Google's stock price. Just to level set, stocks obviously represent ownership in a company, while options provide the right to buy or sell stocks at a specific price in the future. Now, as of today, just took a couple screenshots for you. Alphabet, parent company to Google, they're currently at about $197 per share, with the last previous close from yesterday at 194.41. But you can see over a 5-year span, it's continuously been going up even through the pandemic. So just something to keep in mind. If there is a ban on TikTok here in the U.S., it means more U.S. everything for Google and Alphabet and their precious asset known as YouTube. We went over to in finance take a look at this, which gives you a look at projections. So if you look at ahead, what some of the projections are for the potential growth of the Alphabet Google stock. Google owns YouTube. Gives you some insights here. It may not totally factor in the ban of the TikTok app here in the US, but it gives you an indication as to where it's heading. Before we proceed, it's essential to mention a few disclaimers. At this time, I do not hold any position in Google stock. Additionally, this video is intended for educational content and use only. Okay, so where do we go from here? The potential TikTok ban could create significant opportunities for Google's YouTube division, leading to increased advertising revenue and potential growth in Google's stock price. Lastly, remember it's important and crucial to do your own research and consult with financial professionals. We're not asserting that we are, or we're legal professionals before making any decisions on investment. Thanks for watching. Click to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos from 10K Hunter, and we'll see you in the next video.